Hey family, I don't know if you can see this cake. This cake is just nice, flaky, delicious, and I wish you are here to taste it and to testify it by yourself. I'm telling you, it's so plantain cake. I want you to give it a try. You will never regret it.
I say, life is simple, oh. Take it easy, oh. You live today, tomorrow, you are no more. Say, my yeah, uboni biya, fatemi.
Hello family, you are highly welcome back to my channel. Anastasia, I welcome you today in my kitchen. We are going to make a plantain cake. Okay guys, I bought plantain and yam. I cooked it and remaining 3. And now I don't know exactly what I would do with it because I'm not a type of person who like frying. So I was like, since I have been doing banana cake, why don't I try plantain cake? So family, bake with me plantain cake, right? So at this time, I butter my baking tin and leave it aside, and then I'm going to preheat my oven before I start my mixing. So here I am. I put my oven at 160, then I continue my mixer. So see, I peel my plantain. This plantain actually, it's good. I don't know, the plantain abroad is not the same as you can find home. Somehow, somewhere, when you buy it within a short period, get right. Anyway, what can we do? That's my ingredient, okay? My milk, my sugar, okay? My yogurt, my fresh yogurt, my baking powder, my baking soda, my salt, my vanilla extra that gives us very nice, my brown sugar, okay? I always use vanilla extra and give it a nice flavor. And last of least is my egg. You see? So let's start it. We are going to make a rich and delicious plantain cake. Guys, I encourage you, just try, give it a try, and you will love it. When I make banana cake, my kids like it so much, as well as my husband. But the day, oh my goodness, the day I made this plantain cake, it was really amazing. So let's start it. Here I am peeling my plantain. Okay, it really look nice, but it's never look like the one we have at home, back home in Africa. So let's mix it. I'm going to mix it. You can see, you should mix them separately. The plantain should be separate from the other ingredient because we don't want it to become watery. We want it to rich and flaky. So let's see how it's gonna come out. I want you to try it and bring me the result, the outcome, how you feel it, how you did it, how it came out, so that I can also say something about it. I really love it. So I hope you also do enjoy it. I know sometimes also the best way is to break your eggs into a different bowl in case you have a spoiled egg, because sometimes when you break the egg directly into the mixer, and unfortunately there's a spoiled egg also cause another problem. So it's better you break the egg separately and then before adding it into your mixer. So keep watching, okay? Actually, it was just 3 banana, but it came really out good and I love it. So I really encourage you to give it a try, because my kid, they love yam. So when I bought yam and plantain, and then the 3 remaining, I was like, it was really nice. When I decided to do this, I really love it, and I will continue doing it because I just love it. See? So in this way, I mix my baking soda, baking powder, flour, salt, all the dry ingredients. I mix them separately before adding it to the other. And also, this, I don't know if you guys realize that this bottle contains 4 teaspoons of vanilla. So always you can, if it happens that you don't have, or your hand is dirty, or you can't just have a teaspoon to measure it, you can measure it with your eyes, you gauge it. So half of it is 2 teaspoons. So here I add my flour little by little. Then I add the rest little. Add it 3 times because I want it to reach. Actually, you can use evaporated milk, but I prefer fresh milk. Since I'm using your fresh yogurt, I prefer to use fresh milk. Yeah, because you see, so at this point, because I don't want to over mix it, because with the mixer, it's possible you can over mix it and it become watery, especially because now I'm adding the fresh yogurt. So it's better you mix it with your hand at least, so you know what you are doing, So now I add my plantain smash. I smash it. Now I'm adding it. It's better you add it one by one, and also you stir it by hand so that at least you find the thickness, the texture, how exactly you want it. Because with the mixture, you can over mix it and maybe things might go wrong. So as I told you, if you don't have a teaspoon, you can measure it, gauge it with your eye, and half this. The whole bottle is 4 teaspoons, so use half, which is 2 teaspoons. So the rest, as I said, this cake is really, really simple, easy, rich, and delicious. So guys, I will see you next time. Just take your time, sit down, watch it. I will leave the recipe and the rest of the thing under the description, so you can give it a try and let me know. Okay guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. As I always say, the COVID-19 is still around, so take care of yourself. Wash your hand. The more you wash your hand, the more you wash your heart, and clear up your mind, and also take very, very good care of yourself and your loved ones, especially also your enemies. My daughter said, get closer to keep your friends close and your enemies even more closer. Okay? So when your enemies are hungry, give them to eat. In so doing, you are putting cold on their head. So now the cake is ready. I will sprinkle my granulated sauce, sugar, my brown sugar on top. That will give it a nice brownish color and taste. All right, family. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, this video was made a few days, or let me say, yeah, a few days. No, it was not recorded today. It's about a few days, almost a month now, but I didn't have time to upload it, and today I decided to share it with you people because some people, those who try it, are still requesting it. So I was like, let me push it up, let me publish it, maybe somebody might like it. Okay, so guys, take care of yourself, as I said, and keep yourself healthy, okay? Healthy living style can be really hard, but if you make it as a habit, I promise you, you will never regret it. Drink a lot of water and take care of yourself. So guys, let's see what. Keep yourself safe. Keep washing your hand. Don't be so depressed, okay? Take care. I love you. Very nice, okay? I love you guys. Give it a try. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Watching Patience TV. Big TV. Patience. Move mountains.